Struct In C is a type you define to group variables into a single type. You see in this example, we have a main function that defines a person named Bob who is 25 years old. After the main function, we define the very person struct that takes in a character pointer, that's the person's name, and an integer that is the person's age. If you have any experience with C, though, you can quickly see that this example will give you an error when you go to compile it. This is because in the main function, you're using the struct before C thinks you've defined it. C thinks about code top to bottom, left to right. To solve this error, you can do one of two possible things. First, you can just define all your structs at the top of the file, so C knows that they exist before you're using them, or you can define your structs in external header files. One last thing about structs is how to typedef them. You typedef a struct so you don't have to say the struct name of the thing every time you refer to the new type. In this new refresh example, you have typedef struct person at the top with the same layout of the previous person struct. Then outside the curly braces, you have the name you're giving to this struct, which is person, and end it with a semicolon. Now in the main function, you can just say person p1 equals curly braces Bob, 25. Notice you just have to say person, not struct person. That is the effect of the typedefing we just did. One last thing, this way of declaring structs with the types it takes, the P1 person, is another way you can declare a struct. One thing to note, though, is that the order matters here. If you use this method to declare the struct, if you flip the order around and do 25, Bob, then C thinks you're trying to make Bob's name an integer and Bob's age a character pointer, so the compiler will give you a type error because it doesn't know what to do with that.